Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I came across a video about this product called Safety Nailer, and this is for nails and screws. Definitely going to add this to my toolbox. It's really affordable, only one for $9.99. I'll put a link where you can get more information. You can ask questions, read reviews. Right now there's 11 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 stars. But if you are hammering nails, why wouldn't you want to have something like this just to be on the safe side so you don't injure your hand? Or if you know somebody that is very handy, that does a lot of hammering with nails, this might be a nice gift as well. So let me actually roll back up here and just show you. So it holds the nail in place. It uses a magnetic part on there, on that piece, which holds the nail in place and keeps it from falling out. And you just pinch and close that with your fingers, and you just start hammering down. And then once you reach a certain point, you could just open it up. Your fingers go right into the elastic band, and then you could just finish hammering away. So it's a good safety precaution. And again, it's very affordable and seems like it's something that makes a lot of sense. So very, very cool. Again, I'll put all the detailed information. Again, as you can see here, it's a great gift idea. It's a great safety idea. And it really, most importantly, protects your hand. So let me know if you have any questions. You could see there's already a review here showing more about it, and again, you can ask the questions and read the reviews. So there you go, a lot of very positive reviews, and I know that I again will be adding this to my toolbox. And there you can see I found it a bit awkward to use. Maybe it is a little awkward to use initially, but let me know if you're using it and your thoughts on this product, and hope this little tip was of help. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching.